So let's look at the things that we have to note for so and such. Actually, there's just one thing we're going to focus on, one thing that we have to note, but it's very, very important because it can expand your sentences to make them longer and more interesting and descriptive. So let's look at the thing we have to note. We often use so and such with that to express how we feel or what we are going to do. So look at these examples. The weather is so beautiful that I'm going to have a picnic. So in this example, I used that to say what I'm going to do. Because the weather is so beautiful, I'm going to have a picnic. So that extends the sentence. Look at this next example. It's such a rainy day that I'm going to stay inside. Again, I used that to extend the sentence. I explained what I'm going to do because it's such a rainy day. It's such a rainy day that I'm going to stay inside. Now, you can also leave out that. It's not necessary to use it. So look at these sentences. The meaning is exactly the same as the two we just went through, but we left out the word that. The weather is so beautiful, I'm going to have a picnic. See, I left out the word that, but the meaning is exactly the same. Similarly, with the second sentence, it's such a rainy day, I'm going to stay inside. So this is a very important thing I want you to note. Listen as well to the intonation of the sentence when we use that with so and such. So listen to my intonation with this example sentence. It's such a rainy day that I'm going to stay inside. Can you hear the intonation? It's rising up and then it's falling. It's such a rainy day that I'm going to stay inside. Listen to another example. The weather is so beautiful that I'm going to have a picnic. Can you hear the intonation? The intonation is how the language moves, like music. It goes up and then it goes down. Listen once more. It's such a rainy day, I'm going to stay inside. So the intonation for this structure is also very, very important. So move on to the next lectures, which are the practice exercises. See you there.